Good day, students. Welcome to math.serve.com. In this clip, we're going to be going over question number 3 of our Epic Must-Know Trig Identities proofs. We're going to be carrying out these proofs using the fundamental identities. This standard is covered in trigonometry and pre-calculus courses. Don't forget to take a look in the description for the link to the worksheet that contains all the trig identities problems and the links to the solutions as to how to carry out the proofs. All right, so for question number 3, the goal here is to prove that tan theta cotangent theta is equal to 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and carry out the proof. If you take a look at the yellow box to your right, you're going to see the strategy that we're going to be using to carry out the proofs in this series. On the left side, you have the product of tan theta and cotangent theta. And on the right side, we just have 1. Whenever you have the product and or quotient of trig functions, it's beneficial to express them using sine and cosine only in order to be able to cancel out identical factors, okay? So if you look at this, we have tan theta and cotangent theta here. How about we express both of them using sine and cosine only and see if they have identical factors that can be divided out, all right? So tan can be written using the quotient identity as sine theta over cosine theta, and then cotangent theta using the quotient identities can be written as cosine theta divided by sine theta. All right, another way that this problem can be done is just by using the reciprocal identity on cotangent and write this as 1 over tan. That's another way to do it, okay? Just remember that there are multiple ways to prove trigonometric identities. Now, if you take a look at the left side, what we can see is that there are identical factors that can be divided out. Cosine theta goes here 1, cosine theta goes here 1, that's divided out. Sine theta goes here 1, and sine theta goes here 1. When you multiply everything together on the left side, you just have 1 over 1, which is 1. 1 equals 1. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been able to prove that the identity is in fact true. So much for taking the time to watch this presentation. Really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your studies of trig identities, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for updates to our review series. We have math videos uploaded to our site on a weekly basis, so when you subscribe, you can get notifications of future uploads. If you have any questions or comments about the contents of this presentation or any trig identity proof that you'd like us to work out for you in a video, just post it in the comment section below and we'll be more than glad to respond. Okay? Tons of support resources can be found at our website, math.serve.com, and also don't forget again to take a look in the link in the description to gain access to the worksheet that has all the proof identities, all the trig identities present, as long as the links taking you to the proofs. Have a wonderful day.